Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the parent account and verifying the email so you control settings. This is essential. Once signed in, confirm the child's username and the device you'll manage, PC, iOS, Android, or console, because menu locations differ. Next, enable two-step verification and change the password to something unique. This prevents the child from reconfiguring controls. Now that credentials and device are ready, move directly into Roblox's settings menu to apply age restrictions and communication limits. You'll navigate to Settings, then Privacy, and change chat and join permissions to friends or no one. This reduces exposure to strangers. Once done, enable account restrictions to lock the account into age-appropriate experiences. This enforces automatic chat and content filters. Make sure to adjust contact, trade, and in-game purchase permissions to prevent unauthorized transactions. After you save each change, log out and log back in to confirm the new rules take effect. This verifies the controls are active. You finish by adding device-level limits. Use iOS screen time, Android digital well-being, or a parental app to cap daily hours and enforce bedtimes. This complements Roblox controls. Once complete, routinely review privacy, billing, and account restrictions to catch changes or purchases. If something goes wrong, controls not applying or chat still open, clear the app cache, update Roblox, reset the parent password, and reapply settings. If that fails, contact Roblox support with your account details for resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.